How are you guys doing today?
Doing great.
So, as you can see, we just fed our Chilean flamingos. Here at the Houston Zoo, we feed them a pelleted diet as their base diet. We actually have several different flamingo diets that we will feed them depending on the time of year. Right now, they're just on a maintenance diet, but as we get closer into the breeding season, which is usually this summer, they move on to their breeder diet, which has a higher protein and fat content. The pelleted diet is best for them because in the wild, flamingos will eat just about anything as long as it's very small. So all sorts of small animals, small invertebrates, but small plants as well. And most people don't usually think about that. They usually think about flamingos and think they eat things like small shrimp, which our birds do enjoy. So as an enrichment item, we will sometimes give them small shrimp, krill. We'll give them small invertebrates like mealworms, waxworms, and they really enjoy it, but nutritionally it doesn't give them everything they need. So pellets do form the basis of their diet. You guys have a question? Okay. Our flamingos cannot fly. They're all pinions, so they won't have their flight feathers on one side. When birds first hatch from their eggs, their wings are not fully formed. So we can treat them within 2 or 3 days after they're hatching, so the flight feathers will not grow in. It's not even that developed yet. So, now if you try to pinion a bird after that time, it is a very involved surgical procedure with a lot of complication, which is why we don't do that. Our birds are either treated within a few days, or they are determined to be birds that will live in a covered enclosure. Now the pinioning is one method of controlling their flight. The other is you can clip their wing feathers as they grow in. The problem with that is that every time the birds molt or drop their old feathers, they will grow in new feathers that are full and complete. So you